everyone. If you remember, last time in Scratch we made a game. We actually started to make the game, but we have not finished it. So, let's go to my stuff. Where is it? Oh, not that. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Titled 7. As you all remember, we did some code last time. And you know what? I'm actually changing the name to Car Chase because I have a better idea for this. So there we go. Let's also change it here. Welcome to Car Chase. Dodge cars and don't get hit, because if you do, wait, let's make that a bit smaller. So basically, in this game you have to dodge cars. Welcome to Car Chase, everyone. If you do, because if you do, you will lose. So now that we got that, let's start. Today we're going to be making the you lose screen, and we're also going to be making the control screen. So let's paint the backdrop. For the you lose screen, you can do anything. I'm gonna take a black place, and it's like you let's write it in some oof way. Gonna think good, like marker. Yeah, that sounds good. You lose. Let's write like game over. Game over, and then let's take some spaces. Right, you lose. So let's make that bigger on the screen. And you know what? Let's kind of tilt it like that. That actually kind of looks cool when you look at it. Game over. You lose. Then in the middle would be like a button where basically it would be play again. But we're not going to make that now. What you want to do is actually kind of design your you lose screen like this. That actually kind of looks cool. You lose. Game over. You lose. So after you're done, you may want to see what you could add to this. So try to do whatever type of game over screen you want. And when that's done, check it, see if there's anything you want to add. So click that, help. And then what we want to do, I'm going to actually set up the game a bit. So let's go to backdrops. Let's choose a backdrop. Fantasy, music, sports, outdoors, indoors, underwater, pattern, space. We're going to choose outdoors. Find one that you will like, but I'm going to take the town, the colorful city. So let's choose a sprite. Let's get cars. Let's get a convertible. So let's actually go to backdrops. I want to see if we can do something here. Okay, I don't think we can. Okay, yeah, let's copy. Now let's paint. Let's basically paint that. Paint, paste. So there we go. We got that, which is actually pretty cool. So now we got our own city. And I actually did this because you don't want people to cheat and go over there. So go back to backdrops and delete this. So yeah, there we go. Well, actually, you know what? Maybe not. Let's go back to backdrops. Let's choose a colorful city again, and we're going to make something better. Colorful city, where is it? Yeah. We're only going to take some part of it. And that part will be this much. Let's copy. Let's also delete that there. And let's make the sprite again. Paste. And there we go. Now that we've got that, we're going to delete the other one. And there we go, we got this. So, for the convertible, let's do something cool. Code. We can make him move 10 steps. Move minus 10 steps to go back. So, let's go to control and let's take the if then blocks. Let's take 4 of them. So if that clicked, move 10, that clicked, do that. Then we actually want to take the Y. We want to change the Y by 10. So now that we got that, let's go down. Let's also get a red and green flag clicked. Actually, no. We're going to do a when I receive thing. So when you're not doing it, it won't do that. So let's say if keys something pressed, you need 4 of these. So there we go. That's right. When key up arrow pressed. Actually, this would be for right arrow. This would be for left arrow. This would be for up arrow, and this would be for down arrow. Let's test it. Fine, actually it shouldn't be when I receive. When I receive, green flag clicked. Okay, so I'm not sure why it's not working, but for now, let's talk about this. When green flag clicked, let's do hide. Then let's go to start. So let's do, when this sprite clicked, you want it to hide and then broadcast something. And by that, let's do like broadcast start. So let's go here. When I receive start, you want it to hide, of course. Give that to this. And give that to this. That's both got it. So let's also do something here. When I receive something, and that's start. Wait, where'd the when I receive help go? Oh, okay. So when I receive start, you want the backdrop to switch to a certain one. Let's switch backdrop to colorful city too. So let's try it. Okay, for this. So when green flag clicked, you want this to hide. So instead of doing this, let's go to event and choose the when key pressed. So let's put 4 of them. So when right, when left, when up, and when down. So let's delete that. Delete this as well. So we also want to do when I receive start show. So it will show when it's doing that when the game starts. So let's try it. There we go. It's working. Right, we forgot to do -10. Start. You always want it to start as a specific point. So let's also put motion. When I receive start, go to there and then show. Let's try it. Yep. There we go. So about sprite 5, we gotta do when I receive start show. So here, let's do when green flag clicked. If touching sprite 3, let's say, if touching sprite 5, I'm sorry, this is called sprite 5, then I want it to hide. But we also want it to send out a broadcast again. So this one, let's call it oof. That sounds actually cool. So let's try it. Right. Let's also make this front layer. Go to front layer. Let's try it. But it's touching it, but it's not doing anything. So you see, it's not saying that it's touching sprite 1. Is it? I'm not sure why, so instead, let's take this, put it into sprite 5, let's delete this, and then if touching convertible to, let's do that. Start, see, does it work? No, it does not. So instead of that, let's do something else for this. Backdrops. Choose a backdrop. Colorful city. Switch backdrop to colorful city. So now we can delete this. So, of course, we want it to start there. So, you can see we got the backdrop going, which is pretty cool. So let's also quickly add 2 more cars to this. And so let's search up car. Let's choose convertible. This one. Let's duplicate it. Actually, never mind, we shouldn't duplicate it. So I mean, this could actually be a 2-player game. I'm thinking of something. So let's say we got both cars chasing each other. That will sound like fun. And let's say one of them touches the other. Let's like post a you win thing. But if they don't touch it in more than, I don't know, 1 minute or more than 1 minute, then they lose. So I want to kind of change this. So let's kind of make it a bit more bigger. Well guys, I've been recording for too long. I'll see you in the next video where we will continue this. Bye.